welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another speed cleaning video, and in today's video we are going to be cleaning the living room, kitchen, downstairs bathroom, upstairs bathroom, and upstairs hallway. Mind my hair. I just woke up and I just decided to do the speed cleaning video. I did do my makeup, but I forgot to do my hair before I started cleaning, so I literally pressed record and started cleaning, not realizing that I had a big afro mess on my head. Are wondering why I don't touch the dishes in the sink, it's because my mom likes the dishes done a certain way and she doesn't like anyone to do them, so I have to leave the dishes in the sink. So if that bothers you, I'm really sorry. My mom just doesn't like the dishes done by anybody but her or my dad, so my sister, she decided to make a grand appearance in my video and talk to me while I did the speed cleaning video. She was kind of curious what I was doing because she doesn't really watch speed cleaning videos. She was like, why are you recording yourself cleaning? And I was like, well, the people on my channel really like it, so, and I like to clean on camera because it gives me video ideas. Is then following me, telling her about how she got chalk on her Pikachu and that she had to wash it off, but now he's wet and not going to be as soft. So that's what, if you're wondering what she is saying, that's what she's saying. As you can see, my house is really never that messy. I just like to tidy it up and then wipe down the counters with some cleaner just to make sure the sink and counters always stay clean, because you know, when people brush their teeth, they tend to get the counters and sink dirty, so that's why I do that a lot in my speed cleaning videos. There's just not a lot of mess to clean. so that's why it seems to be kind of repetitive, and I tried to change it up just a little bit today by cleaning the hallway upstairs too. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up the speed cleaning video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more speed cleaning content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys next time.